What breaks your fast and what does not? 1. Brushing teeth with toothpaste during the day, so long as it does not reach the stomach or throat, does not break the fast. 2. Using miswak in the day with no flavoring does not break the fast. 3. Using an asthma pump does not break the fast. 4. Using oxygen pump or mask does not break the fast. 5. Smelling perfume does not break the fast. 6. Using lip balm does not break the fast. 7. Using eye drops does not break the fast. 8. Using nose drops, so long as it does not enter the stomach, does not break the fast. 9. Using ear drops does not break the fast. 10. Tasting food only for necessity and not swallowing it does not break the fast. 11. Blood tests does not break the fast. 12. Anesthetic, local or needle, does not break the fast. 13. Wearing makeup does not break the fast. 14. Wearing kohl or eyeliner does not break the fast. 15. Swallowing mucus from nose or saliva does not break the fast. 16. Nosebleed does not break the fast. 17. Removing a tooth or dentist procedure does not break the fast. 18. Using mouthwash, so long as it is not swallowed or reaches the throat, does not break the fast, but better avoided. 19. Taking insulin for diabetes does not break the fast. 20. Suppositories do not break the fast. 21. Having a wet dream in the daytime, not on purpose, does not break the fast. 22. Swimming and diving does not break the fast. 23. Eating or drinking forgetfully does not break the fast. 24. Vomiting involuntarily does not break the fast. 25. Intravenous nutrition, parenteral nutrition, putting nutrients in the blood through a needle, breaks the fast. 26. Masturbating in the daytime breaks the fast. 27. Deliberately vomiting breaks the fast. 28. Smoking cigarettes or vaping or shisha breaks the fast. 29. Accidentally swallowing a bit of water when making wudu does not break the fast. Another opinion is to make it up without sin. This was taken from the fatwas of the senior scholars.